Okay, so this is going to be the 8th part in the fire alarm review series. So, which device am I reviewing today? This. This is a Wheelock WST-24, new in box. And you can see, obviously it could be in better condition, but the WST-24, that's pretty cool. So there it is, WST-24. 18-31 volts DC, 0.025 amps, made in June 25th of 1992. So let's open this, let's grab some scissors. Bear with me. Okay. I'm kind of far, so I had to zoom back a little bit. I saw my toolbox and some other junk. I'm just going to open this. I can always retape it later. On the other side. And this side. Okay. And the scissors away. So, there you go. Here it is. Very nice. And then of course we got one more thing. Now I think there is some hole pluggers for these, but unfortunately they didn't come with those, which I'm not going to complain that much because it doesn't matter anyway. So almost like with my new unboxing SHG. So here is the last thing that's in there, which is a packet. And let's see. Oh, it came with two. This is what is this? General information. So, interesting. What's this? This is the Wheelock. There it is. Let's just open it up. So you can pause if you like. There. And back. So I will. Of course, this is general alarm information. I'm just. If you wanted to see the camera getting so close. There. Just technical stuff. And then, of course, just put this away. Again, I apologize. And then back in the box. And I'm going to tape it up like this because it opens up like an envelope, kind of. So, here it is. This has the non-ADA strobe with this frosted, basically. There, there, and there. And this is, well, you'll see on the back. Here's the back. Here's the terminal leads. And here's the model number right there. 1992. And then you'll see this is only 1.5 candela. I apologize for shaking. But yeah. So there really is not much to say. So we're going to wire up this device, test it out, and yeah. Let's go straight. So to test out this device, I got some 9-volt batteries right there. And I apologize for the wire being so close, but as you can see, they're only that long, so all I have to do is just connect in the batteries, which I will do right now. So I'm going to set the camera down for my toolbox right here, so sorry, and there. So let's start the strobe test. Okay. Not bright. For a strobe, it's not that bright. Flashes a little slow. At least to me, it flashes a little slow. But let's turn off the lights. It does light up the room. I mean, it is, I guess you could say, kind of bright for non-ADA. 1.5 candela, but pretty effective. And I turned on my regular light just to get better clarity. This light and kind of soft. So, okay, so, sorry. Okay, so that is it. That is it for the review of the testing part of the Wheelock WST-24. There is a WS3T-24, which essentially is just like this, but looks a little different. It's almost like, it's not as like box shape or square shape like this is. So I'm going to try to attempt to remove these with just one hand, which is fairly easy. And the thing itself is made of metals. So the surrounding that is. Of course, the strobe itself is a plastic body because it's basically just frosted plastic. So yeah, there it is. That way. Here it is. Yep. And there's also WS1T, which is also pretty rare as well. I didn't say it was rare, but I'm getting on to that. There's a WS3T, a WS1T, and then there's this, which is just the WST-24. I don't know if it's a WS2T, but I think essentially this is, but I might be wrong, so yeah. Once again, here's the back. Yep. So, what about rarity? Well, for rarity, going from 1 being very common to 5 being really, really, really rare, or just very rare, that is. 1 being something like a, I guess a special or advanced, basically. And then a 5 being something like a BG6 or a M69, something like that. I'd give this about a 3.5. Usually these are about a 3.5, if not 4 for sure. But for my sake, with the new in box part, I'm going to give this about a 4.5. Almost a 5, basically, because the new in box WST-24s, I don't know if there really is anybody who has a WST-24 new in box. Probably is, but and maybe they have the hole pluggers, of course, but I'm not gonna, yeah, you know what I mean. So these are pretty rare. There is actually 2 right now on eBay, but they're not new in box, and they actually do have, like, I think they have like 1 or 2 hole pluggers already in there, but yeah, you know what I mean. Other than that, that is basically it for the unboxing, technically, and review of the Wheelock WST-24 new box. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Just a quick reminder, this device will actually be used in System Test 50. I'm actually setting up System Test 50 right now, as a matter of fact. So, once I'm done, I'm going to put this device onto the board. So, thank you guys for watching, and once again, see you in the next video.